Breakfast was nice and we're currently at the Falagil waterfall. It's behind me. It's a small hiking route and then later you can cool down into that wa'a. You can drink that water as well because it's high from the mountains. It's clean, fresh water. Not bad, not bad view, but the roads are in bad condition, so we need to go back. It's getting too dangerous. We stopped at a seal lookout and it's usual there are here plenty of seal, so I hope we can find one, but we saw already one 2 days ago, so when we don't see one it's not really sad. Okay guys, we saw 2 seals, but the problem was we couldn't film them because they were too far into the water. Usually in the morning they go hunting for their own food, and then later they go relax there on that lookout spot. We're still trying to see some puffin birds. And you can see them on the Figure Island. It's a small island into 2 fjords. But we got bad luck because that boats didn't depart until July. So we are too early. I hope we will find that puffin birds later on the whale safari we are going to do on Sunday morning. Okay guys, I'm currently in a small place called Iceland'S, and we're looking for the puffin birds. And you can see there a small island, and there they are sitting, breeding, making little birds. You need to look for the Lundi, because the Lundi will not look for you. Lundi! I'm looking for that bird, but it's difficult, really difficult. So, just arrived in the new room in a Holmavik. They got multiple pools and we couldn't find any puffins, so we gave up. We go on a puffin tour this Saturday. Brand new day. The breakfast was this time not really good, but hey, stomach is a little bit full. Today we are traveling to Reykholt, and on the road we are going to sightseeing. First stop, a place where they usually see some seals. On sunny days the seals will come out and lay in the sun. Some seals will grow up to 2 meters long and 150 kilos. It's crazy. And if you are singing a song or do only the melody, they will hear it and will come outside of the water and see what's going on. They're really interested in people. So I think we just need to sing and they will come. Let's go. Thuis heb ik nog een aanzichtkaart waarop een kerk, een kar met paard, een slagerij, J. van der Ven. No, it's not working. Currently stopped at a gas station. I'm going to ask if they sell bread healthy. Alright, we are now walking to the Ularfoss waterfall. It's 3 waterfalls in one walking way. Some people say on the reviews it's not worth it because you have to walk really far for 3 waterfalls. The water, what is falling down from that Ularfoss waterfall, comes with a speed limit of 80 kilometers an hour. Small drive and we arrived at the strongest warm water source of West Iceland. It's called the Deildartungehuver and it's smelling like rotten eggs because of the sulfur. We're inside their greenhouse and they're growing tomatoes on the warmth they get from that warm geyser water. And that's how they make warm coffee as well. Next stop, Raunfossar and the Barnafoss waterfall. This is a big collection of multiple waterfalls. It looks impressed, if I believe Google. But now I'm here in real life condition. The water can flow or it can crash. Be water, my friend. It's called the Barnafoss waterfall. That's the children's waterfall. One day at Christmas there were two children who needs to stay at home and their parents leave. The children wants to follow their parents and use a stone bridge over the waterfall. The kids fell off and drowned into that cold frozen water. The mother later was sentenced by a death penalty because all the people thought she were a witch because she destroyed that bridge. Later became the bridge was destroyed by an earthquake. Okay guys, that waterfall was pretty impressive. And now we're currently going to the Noordlingafjots Armotgevitar Ok. That's the point where the waterfall begins. Multiple rivers come together and create a strong, impressive, big waterfall. Thanks for watching my third Icelandic video. Tomorrow it's a big day. We will go watching puffins and we will travel to Reykjavik. I hope I will see you guys in the next video.